Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
And the last agenda which we took up today was the proposal for new rates of tax on petrol and diesel. So as you may be aware that government of Assam has recently revised its rates of petrol and diesel, and as is the practice which has been followed in the state of Meghalaya for a very long time, whenever the rates of Assam are changed, commensurate to that, government of Meghalaya also revises its rates of petrol and diesel to take advantage of the price differential. And today, as you all know, the present rate of tax for petrol is 13.5 13.5% or rupees 11 per litre, whichever is higher. So this has been revised to 13.5% or rupees 12.50 per litre, whichever is higher. And for diesel, the present rate right now of tax is 5% or rupees 4 per litre, whichever is higher. This has been revised to 5% or rupees 5.50 per litre, whichever is higher. So basically, in very simple terms, the effect of this is basically that presently, if we look at the rate of the retail sales price of petrol in Byrnihart right now is rupees 95.10, and now there will be there will be an increase of rupees 1.92. So that, there will be a difference of rupees 1.92 between between Assam and between Meghalaya. So it is now going to be 95.10 in Byrnihart and 96.83 in Shillong. This is petrol. And for diesel, the new RSP, that is the retail sales price, is going to be 83.50 in Byrnihart and rupees 84.72 in Shillong. And the difference basically would be in Byrnihart rupees 1.44 for diesel and rupees 0.22 in Shillong for diesel. So these are the different agendas, which formal items which were taken up in the cabinet today, and the cabinet has given its nod and assent to all these agendas. And if there are any questions, I'll be happy to take them. The new price. So the new retail sales price of diesel in Byrnihart area would come to around rupees 83.50, and in a place like Shillong would be rupees 84.72.
And petrol?
Petrol in Byrnihart would be rupees 95.10, and in areas of Shillong and around would be 96.83. It's not reducing. So there is a difference between Assam and Meghalaya. So the rate of petrol in Byrnihart would be rupees 1.92 cheaper than what it is in Assam. Along with this, I would also like to inform that despite the hike in our tax structure and the consequent increase in the oil in the prices of petrol and diesel, we are still as a state in terms of petrol and diesel prices are the cheapest in the entire country.